Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use JSON files in WordPress. We'll start by understanding what JSON is and its benefits for your website. Then, we'll dive into the fundamental methods for integrating this data, whether it's for dynamic content or structured information. You'll also discover helpful tools and plugins that streamline the entire process, making it accessible for everyone. There are several effective ways to integrate JSON into your WordPress site. You can manually embed small JSON snippets directly into your content blocks. For more dynamic data, leveraging the WordPress REST API is a powerful option, allowing you to fetch and display external JSON feeds. Alternatively, custom PHP code in your theme's functions.php file or creating custom shortcodes offers flexible solutions for rendering complex JSON structures. To simplify JSON integration, several tools and plugins are invaluable. Plugins such as JSON Content Importer allow you to effortlessly display data from external JSON sources with minimal coding. For structured data within your posts, advanced custom fields can be a game changer. Always use a reliable code editor for custom PHP or JavaScript, and remember that your browser's developer tools are essential for debugging any JSON-related issues. Let's look at some practical applications. You can use JSON to display dynamic content like product feeds, event calendars, or even real-time stock prices. When working with JSON, always ensure your data is correctly formatted to prevent parsing errors. For larger files, consider implementing caching mechanisms to optimize performance and reduce server load, ensuring a smooth user experience for your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.